Ladies and gentlemen, once again, is your boy, Papa Obong, Dedo, Ishmael, Deda Nerude, mimi na majina mingi mtaani. Now, alongside me is one of my good friends, sister, and I'll let her introduce herself. So you can introduce yourself, waambie we ni nani, unafanya nini, na mambo zingine mingi.
Hi, it's Kaleche. I'm a Lois, I'm a Knight. Pia mimi niko na majina mingi kama wewe. What I do, a lot of things, but mostly IT stuff.
So, yani huyu msichana kwa mambo ya kompyuta na vitu mingi ni mnoma sana.
Kweli. Kweli.
How's your day today?
Ilikuwa poa. I didn't expect to end up hapa. Maybe hijack. Sikuwa prepared, but
do you know what? We always have conversation. Na yeye yubishana. Na nikamwambia I need you to hizo point unaniambianga uambie pia watu. A minute.
Unaenda kutoa manguoni. Big boss. Weya.
Ambia watu wanunue t-shirt. So mimi nataka tu kujua. Mimi realize relationship has work. Watu wana break up. Yani watu, okay, from a Christian point of view, kwanza ku break up si advocate. Lakini watu wanaumana na kuachana. Na mimi dunia sijui inaenda wapi. Najua maybe siwezi change kitu, lakini tunaweza badilisha watu watatu wawili. Unaona? Mademu utakaga nini seriously? Niambie tu vitu tatu ukifanyia msichana at least utakuwa
I think kuiangalia in that perspective ni wrong kwa sababu how you're supposed to look at it is both sides are failing. It doesn't matter whether you're female or male. Na kwa nini watu wana fail is because people are not honest in their pursuit for love.
Nenda kusho kwa nini si tutaka nini?
Nyinyi mnatakanga nini?
Tuanzie huko.
Msianzie huko kwanza. Sikia tu hii point yenye nimesema, people are not honest in their pursuit of love. You're just pursuing love kwa sababu kuna hii perception ya venye love inafaa kukua, but si hivyo inafaa kukua. You get what I'm saying? And that's why, for my point of view, that's why it's not working for a lot of people. It's because people are not honest why they are pursuing love, they don't even know what they really want. Like most women, they don't even know what they want. Or they think they know what they want, but after they get that, they realize actually this is not what I want. You know? Yeah.
Lakini nasikianga mnataka machali hot cake before 6 pack nini?
Hapana. Kijana mwanaume ni sura ngumu. So if you're hot, you're out of my list. So mwanaume ni
sura ngumu.
Wewe mwanaume.
Kwa hivyo moon boy kwa hiyo.
Moon boy. Sitaki kukufa mimi na high blood pressure. Kakitu si mbaya.
So mwanaume tafuta pesa.
Tafuta pesa na ujitafute. Usitafute do na ujisahau. Don't just look for money to get women and you forget that Ish is a person. Papa ni mse. Huyu big boss si tu big boss. There's someone beyond just what we see, like beyond what you give the world. There's someone inside, and if you can't find that someone, how do you expect to find someone else and actually love them?
True.
You're not being honest in our pursuit. You're pursuing someone, yet you have not even pursued yourself. Hujajijua na unataka tupatane na mtu mpende. Same goes to women. I feel like most mummies nowadays, you're just looking for either men who have money or who have looks or who have fame or mwenye atakupeleka to another level na unasahau.
So umekubali women use men as stepping stones.
Yeah. It happens a lot in the society and vice versa.
Sadly, mademu wa Nairo nyinyi ile kiboko Mungu atawachapa nyinyi. Lakini sijui siku naongea kama KRG. I'll be inviting the boy child to defend himself. So let me ask you a personal question, if you will allow me. Have you ever been in a relationship?
Yes, I am.
Are you in one right now?
No, I'm not. Right now, I'm not. I don't feel like I am looking for one because niko kwa hiyo self-discovery mode enye nataka the next person ikuwe something meaningful na nipate mtu mwenye pia amejipata.
Simi nimejipata hapa mkiana.
Papa uko na msichana wewe. Nakuchomea. Girls,
hivyo ndio huko nje inasemekana
wewe ni mbaya.
Wasichana mwacha
kune.
Mimi ni boy cool by the way. Sina mambo mingi. Mimi ni kuimba wimbo ya Yesu, watu waokoke na kuevangelize na mambo mengine sitaki.
But unataka msichana. But unataka msichana.
Mwanamke.
Okay, sawa.
Msichana ni anajifine. Now, can you share what happened for you to part ways?
With whoever I was.
Yeah, in your former relationships.
I think both of us tulikuwa na mistrust, number one. Like I said, niko in IT, so sometimes I work with a lot of men. So like if I'm with someone mwenye aniamini, just because I'm laughing with people, it really can't work.
So utakausha tena sura. Pia ni wanaume.
Just learn to trust your person. Whether you're a mommy or a dude, just trust your person. See, kitu, it's a big ask, but it's needed.
Wow.
Trust.
Wow. Now, if you were to advise your former angekutrust everything imekuwa sawa. If you were to advise ladies out here in relationship as work juu ya trust, nini unaweza waambia wafanye ndio trust ikue?
Na feel tu ni kuwa honest. Because like getting someone who's honest nowadays is so hard. Like even your folks, sometimes they just lie to you. Even like your sisters, your friends, your pals. So like when you're dating someone and that trust is not there, that honesty is not there, because you can't trust someone who's not honest with you. Sindio, you cannot trust someone who lies. And sometimes you're lying not because you're doing something bad, but because in your head you think like, if I tell him the truth, atakuwa na all these questions, atafikiria sasa maybe machali wa sita day moja, as in you know what I mean? And vice versa. Especially like sasa mtu kama wewe mwenye uko kwa entertainment na mood boy mwenye atatujoin na few mwenye pia yuko kwa entertainment, kutrust machali kama nyinyi is so hard. It's true. Because kuna mafans, kuna wasichana wanataka fame, as in like there's all this
hatuna hela.
You know shida. So imagine in the same equation and then there's money. How do you trust someone?
Noma. Nikuulize swali. Ushai boys?
But ilikuwa kitambo.
Ulilia? Sasa hivi unasema wewe kulia ni ngumu.
Tears of premium tears, guys. Premium tears sana. Anajua probably si upenda by the way. Ukweli honestly. Na nimekampia kulearn. I don't know, we are vicious. Women we are vicious. It's true. We are, I don't know, we are worse than you. Like we can be bad, but we choose to be good.
Wow.
But men can be good, they choose to be bad. That's how I see it. Like us, we choose to be good because we know we can be bad. You guys.
So you as a woman, nini ukafanyiwa tu? Now if you get these things, name 3 things you can get from a man. Na unasema mimi kama nana nimetosheka.
Mimi number 1, someone who has found themselves. For me that's, I think kitambo I was going for relationships the wrong way. Right now I am older and wiser. I feel for me like the first thing is just to find someone who has found themselves.
Wow.
And when I say that, I mean like in your purpose, in like what you're doing, you have a plan. Every day una feel kuamka because you know what you're doing. I want someone like that. Mtu mwenye atani skuma. That's what I want. 1. 2, honestly, I just want a partner. I want like someone who can be friends beyond the relationship, beyond the bullshit, beyond whatever. We can just sit down, have a conversation, be honest with each other, whether it's going to hurt or not, but we have those hard conversations without necessarily having to fight. Or 3rd.
Now guys, songe nataka kuinvite guest hapa. Hii story nataka kuleta ni critical. Hii manze itakuwa mambo mingi. 3rd, umesema kakitu.
Na kakitu yangu, not really at a financial stability in the sense that we are dealing with millionaires, but I just want someone who's the same thing I'm doing right now. I'm setting myself up, as in for my future. You know,
like una intimidating wanaume, IT nini, smart.
That's why nimesema nataka
unaweza date mtu tu kama mimi wa kienyeji na mjengo zangu huko.
Imagine naweza. Like as long as naona uko na hiyo kitu, na nikisema kitu na maanisha just have something, bro, have something. Kuwa na kitu hata tukienda place and we like need to pay the bill, as in
unaweza lipa.
You know what I mean? Kuna kitu na si ngumu.
Na ni biblical by the way.
Yeah.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to invite one of our friends who was here a few minutes ago, and he was here yesterday, and we'll interview him today. Now let's welcome Moonboy, who is behind our camera. Karibu Moonboy, karibu. Unaweza kutia hii side. Kuja ukae hapa mambo sha. Moonboy. Sijui kama hii set utaimba. Unajua mimi nataka promote gift yako. Unaimba kidogo ndio tunaendelea. Utawaimbia kitu?
See, I am looking for a sister. Chama, my love.
Wow. Story ya kunyonga. Tuongee story ama tuache?
Tuongee tu.
Okay, before ni nataka tu kuuliza one simple question. Mademo unyonga hicho nilifanya research.
Oskof.
Wananyonga. Na nyinyi machali?
Lazima.
Now let's talk about kunyonga. Which is masturbation. Wewe unaweza semaje about masturbation?
Mimi usikianga masturbation sijui ni kitu mbaya. Sijui ni I still do it but you know, me doing it I save myself from a lot because you know, afadhali ninyonge than nilale na madem sijui wangapi.
So you are saving yourself from one?
Number one, diseases. Number two, I'm safeguarding my spirit.
Yeah.
The moment you sleep with sex.
Na siku nyongo unalala na mademons bro.
No, bro. Let me tell you.
Si una imagine watu kwa kichwa.
No, let me tell you, sleeping with multiple women is now you demon unasema.
Sasa ndio hiyo.
Ndio hizo. Because you know the moment you sleep with someone, you're taking something from that person. So I wouldn't advocate for.
So unasema watu wanyonge?
Sijasema.
Nauliza watu wanyonge wasipate magonjwa?
Hiyo ni decision yako. Mimi decision yangu ni hiyo, acha ninyonge.
Ni nini unataka kuhepa kwa hiyo conversation? Now back to you. What can you say about kunyonga? Do you believe ladies wananyonga? Ni wewe umesoma na mademu. Wananyonga?
Mademu wananyonga.
Mimi nadhani issue ya maboy.
We also have feelings. This is thematic. Kwani sasa sisi we don't have feelings. We do. Right? Ladies, yeah, we do.
Do you advocate for it?
I honestly think sexuality just as general and you go back to masturbation, it's really a personal decision. Like it's about how you feel about yourself, how you feel about your body. And like if you want to express, why not? Because okay, saa zingine sexual frustrations zina coming from you not knowing your body. Like you not understanding how someone can touch you and you feel something, right? So if you like try to do the deed to yourself and figure out like what makes you feel good, what makes you, tick, what doesn't, it's gonna help you.
Nasikia ukinyonga sana unaweza chizi.
Uwezi chizi but maybe you kitu inaweza beat. So, moderation, like with everything else.
Tena msiende sana.
Pia,
But you know there's some people who are like very, very sexual.
Manze usiendela wewe. Kenye umefanya hii Nairobi anaambia kila mtu anyonge kunyonga. Anasema manze nyongeni.
Sasa hapa ni watu wachukue tu advice yenye itamsaidia.
Very personal.
Umesikia vitu dema amesema. Na wewe kama chali, nini unafeel mademo akitupatia tutakuwa waaminifu na tutulie tuache.
Hakuna bro. The reality is even if you're dating, I'll tell you for a fact, and females, I'm sorry for saying this, but I'm not sorry.
Okay.
As in, you guys need to understand, niggas generally they'll definitely cheat at some point of their lives, but me believe, that's why I'm not dating right now, by the way, because me, I believe when you date, let's say I told you, when you date, I date to marry. So kama ati mna date tu bro, once atacheat atafanya kila kitu yote, but me I date to marry.
Now what type of a woman do you unatakanga dema na kaje? Unajua hii channel inaweza kupromote na uangukie.
Nataka dema na kama Wangeshi.
Okay.
Wangeshi saidia mtu bana.
Please come back home.
Usiachilie brother. Do you have what are some of the things you like doing when you know in your free time?
Oh wait, ngoja niseme kwanza kitu nilikuwa. Unajua hii major sija make point yangu. So guys, mukipata dem, me personally mean if I get married, bro, that's it. Kucheat me itakuwa in the books too.
You will never cheat.
No, why would you cheat?
No, nakwambia kuna
Why would
mchalo
you
wako.
cheat?
Kweli naona naweza kuwapata.
Okay, get married.
Definitely not cheating.
Niulize. Let me ask you this question. Where's impossible? Where's impossible?
So unataka to date?
Sisi nauliza. Nini inawazuia lakini?
Is this a hookup show?
Nini inawazuia tu mdate?
As in unajua na papa tumehave hizi conversation off camera right?
Kweli.
Kwambia sometimes it's the same thing I was telling you. It's not about just meeting someone because they're single and you're single and you guys dating. Like there's a process to it. Like for me the way I see it is you're dating to marry. You cannot marry someone who's not your friend. And
Your best friend.
You know what I mean? And like that one, just take the equation of sekete nje.
Lakini wewe umesema tena watu wa handsome sana utaki mambo yao.
Nini watu wa handsome?
Anadai wewe you are too handsome.
I want cute babies. Tukiwa too hot itakuwa
watoto wa
enough.
Too cute mkiwa too hot.
So I'm enough.
Oh.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Now, about addiction, do you have something to add on it? Have you ever experienced any kind of addiction?
I guess we all have in our lives. But I don't know, addiction yenye nime experience maybe yenye na experience of late ama yenye niko sahi. I don't want to jump into it really. But just generally.
So currently pia kuna ingine inakusumbua currently.
Sister, yeah. Somehow.
Masterbation.
Oh Lord.
Mambo ya kunyonga si mambo yake.
Could be, but it's not pornography, and I wish it was because I feel like na feeling kama because I feel like kuna certain addictions kama pornography yenye imagine you can work towards getting it out of your system. Like either you're watching porn because you're single or you're lonely, ama too just because you're not getting satisfied. That's how I see it. I don't know. Like if you were with Wangeshi and then like she's giving
Wangeshi, I'll take it from your broke boyfriend.
Wow.
Her boyfriend is broke.
Mark, who's your boyfriend? Me and your boyfriend.
But
me, I just know.
Is her boring boyfriend.
Nikifika tu hapo, I'm going to take that shot.
You're saying something.
So what was I saying?
We were talking about addiction.
Oh yeah. Like pornography feels like it's something you can get over, but kuna addictions zingine za life zenye they're so hard. Like you see, when you create a habit of something, I don't want to go into mine really, but an example. Let me just give an example. Like an example inaweza kwa ya internet, like just being addicted to your phone, being addicted to being online, being addicted to Facebook, Instagram, all the socials.
Facebook bado tunatumia.
That's a bad addiction, I know, right? That's a bad addiction, like mbaya sana, because you don't do things because pornography is like 3 minutes, then you go do your stuff. But when you're like addicted to your phone, it's like the whole fucking day. You could be at work and you're just on your phone. You could be anywhere cooking, food inaungua on your phone.
That's something very dangerous.
It is.
Because the internet, you know what you kwa phone yako tu kila time alafu unajua na consume vitu.
Me I think actually rule number 1 ya depression na wase kuwa na depression na mambo mingi, it's because they follow people on Instagram wanaona life their fake life there alafu wanadhania life yao it's not doing good.
You're not balling us.
Exactly. Alafu
Balling, yeah?
That's why my Instagram is very real. You can follow me on Instagram at it's Moonboy baby. You just see. Yeah, don't fake anything.
ukiwa up uko up. Ukiwa down
my G. You follow to one.
He'll be surprised, eh?
So, how did you overcome your former addiction traits?
I think I'm still fighting.
You know, the question
I
is,
think
what are you, you didn't even tell us, what are you addicted to?
let's say the internet.
The
internet.
Yeah.
Also, look at you.
Yeah.
You know,
Oh Lord.
because you know she's doing IT.
Yeah. So maybe I'm not even addicted to social per se, but I am like, when I go online, like when I'm browsing, I go so fucking deep. Neza jipata. I was just looking for something as random as a marketing strategy. Okay, still that deep but ndajipata hata kwa black market. Like just looking up stuff. I'm just all over the place. I don't know, I go where. Before I know it, it's like 4 hours. Maybe I've done little to nothing, but I've just been online
But
just
as
browsing.
long as you're doing research, even me, I would say I normally do the same thing. Because as long as you find a research, as in, after say, just ask me something, kasi juicy Jew. Lakini,
Kama unajua uko na facts.
niko na facts, and you won't argue with me.
Now, can you forgive mtu amekuhurt?
Forgiving is easy, but forgiving is easy. Forgetting, that's where it's just, for me. Like I can forgive you, but sometimes when I see you do something, it just bring up all the memories of like, you know what, this person by the way, they're not to be trusted. They can pull a fast one.
I think madam wengi wako na hiyo.
Are you guys able to by the like
tunachokaga mkitukumbusha mambo za kitambo? Si tu forgive and forget. Men can forgive and
because you know we are human. As in tuko na makosa, tumekubali. But you see, what really counts is what you do after I forgive you. As in, how are you gonna show me that kumbe it was worth forgiving?
Men can forgive
and forget.
Forgetting we do, lakini nini mna forgive lakini kuforget mna mambo mingi.
Madam na chimbanga vitu kutoka sijui nini.
Akisi kupenda kwetu, imagine it's just the way I think we were created.
Like, so if you find the guy
process fulani hapa tu naika vitu.
Tunaweza hata saa hizi tumekaa na kitu ile happen sijui 2015. Sasa
manze
udem
unadem kumbusha vitu za 4 years ago.
I do like how can you nimesahau?
Kwa
hivyo sisi we never forget. We can, but it's a process and it's not easy. And then like if you forgive someone and then they pull the same thing,
I guess you should forgive too.
all the memories.
Nikuulize. Ushaikuwa ukipata huo mse umesema una desire, unaweza kuwa faithful, loyal woman?
Mimi nikimari mimi kwanza nikipata dem. Let me tell you. That's why this and people in Nairobi, I need you guys to understand one thing. When you move from one person to another person, don't as in
usibebane na garbage zako, baggages.
My G, as in date because you're in love. Don't date because you're lonely.
Wow.
That's a good one.
Now, as we conclude, your last word to my viewers. We can boys first.
For the first time.
Boys first.
I'm not a boy.
Men first.
I'm not a boy.
Men first.
Yeah, anyways, love God. God is the provider. God is everything. Guys, you don't know kama pia mimi nilikuwa naambia hivyo. God is everything. Just work with God and everything will work with you.
Okay. For me, I think take away and just find yourself. You know, like there's no hero here on this earth apart from you. You know, you are the only one who can change your story. You're the only one who can be your own hero. So find yourself, and after you do, push that person to be the best version they can be.
Inajua as we are winding up, najua tu hii najua mtakuwa na mambo. Nyinyi mnaonangaje sisi wa Kristo siku hizi?
Wa Kristo ni nini?
As a Christian.
Christians.
Christians.
Na church ya siku hizi wa Kristo wa siku hizi.
Mimi sijaenda church sijui kutoka lini. I don't believe in those things.
Na wewe?
I don't know, me, I've been brought up in a Christian, setup.
What is Christianity though?
Christianity is a religion, just like Muslim.
Let's now after the break.
Let's dive into that. I wanted, we can just cut it, but nilikuwa nataka aseme kitu juu pasha wa Kristo. Nini wa Kristo wao kufanyia? Unaona ni wa fake.
It's not at mimi specifically. I just feel like all religions in Africa, people are just too fake.
Yeah?
You know? People are just too fake. Yeah, it's true. Not just Christianity alone. Across the world, like you're rooted into,
Religion is the biggest deception.
That's what he said. So Mimi, I don't know, but what I know is I am just disappointed by all the feelings that is going around.
You used to be a Christian.
I am a Christian. I think I still identify myself as a Christian, but
what is Christianity?
My boy.
Ndakujibu hiyo ndakujibu. But
I don't know, I feel like I'm in a place where in my life right now I'm more spiritual than I am religious.
Nini tunadui? Nini sisi wa Kristo tunafanyanga
fakeness. Usikinakwambia fakeness, like kwanza ni uliniambia of this. Uliniambia siku kuna so many gay pastors na kuna so many like kuna usherati mingi inaendelea kwa kanisa.
Na gay pastors wanasema nini?
Wanasema gayism ni mbaya. Na wanaikashifu na
ni struggle tu
tunawaombea ukweli, tunafaa tuombe. I think hiyo ndio kitu yenye mimi inanifanya na moyo. Like there's so much evil going around and pia Christians are playing a big part of it and it's just heartbreaking, but it's the truth.
So mnaona wa Kristo Kenya. The reason mnafanya world isiokoke ni wa Kristo ni tabia zenu. Mnakuwa stumbling block. Unaona sasa kama wewe ni pastor na unakunywa pombe, unalala, wewe ndio huyu unataka wanaume wenzako, wewe ndio huyu wa mabibi za watu unakimbizana nao. Unajua hizo Mkristo wewe unataka kuokoka uwezi okoka.
Unaona acha nikwambia kuna kitu mimi hata mimi sikudanganya. Hakuna, and I'll say like this is how it really is. Kuna kuokoka. Hapa hivi you just know God and just know God. History ya kuokoka sijui ya Christianity sijui religion. I work, my G's.
Itawak. Utaharibu. Mungu, huu ni secular artist. Msimsikize sana. Kidogo tu.
Let me just say what I have to say. Don't use that against me. All you have to do is just know God.
So wewe uliniambia una believe in God, but
I believe
God is Jesus na Bible ni mambo mingi.
Bro, Jesus unaweza believe lakini Bible ni mambo moja. Nani alikuambia hizo vitu?
This Bible.
Ati hiyo kitu imetravel sijui kutoka lini mpaka leo ati bado mnasomea kitu. Information imeshachangiwa. Nyinyi sio mmekuwa form mnaanza kubelieve vitu zenye hata amjui. You just like
so we will do the worst moonboy. Najua hii discussion yetu it's another show. Yeah. On our next show utakaa muongee.
Miss Cam, mimi shawaambia.
So guys, for Kristo, these are my brothers and sisters and this is the information I get every day. Wananiambia manzee nini wa fake nini. So preach with your life. Preach with how you live. Unaona, you may fall here and there, but preach with your lifestyle. Ndio wasee wa world. Hapo pale huko you are a walking Bible. Wa Kristo tuache kuban. Unaona, tuna ban wasee kama huyu. Sasa ameshaona pastor akikata pombe akilala na wasichana kwa kanisa. Unaona, haizi okoka tena. Unaona, ama akiokoka hata kuja church. Unaona, na for you people, ni watu wa Kristo wenye mmekuwa wounded na church. Muende mkue the Jesus in that church. Unaona, so I think
God, check guys at the end of the day.
Una sign out hii show na wimbo moja tu ya gospel tamu.
Atembea.
Shida ni sijui lyrics.
Unakumbuka wimbo gani?
Shaddai. Nandangaje tena.
Ukona kile ninadai.
Mesifai. Shaddai.
That was a long session.